Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. So I have the Pulsar text editor open, but you may be thinking to yourself, that doesn't really look like my version of the Pulsar text editor. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Material UI and Material Syntax theme in the Pulsar text editor so it looks like this. Okay. First though, before we get started, if you like videos where I show you how to install software and how to set up that software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So this is Pulsar out of the box, and it looks pretty sleek. It's got the one dark theme both for the UI and the syntax, and that's pretty nice. But in this video, we're going to spice this up a bit, and we're going to install that Material UI and theme. And it's really easy to do so. So I'm going to do Control comma to bring up my settings, and I'm going to go down here on the left to install. I can click on that. Now I can either search for packages or themes, but at the time of this recording, it really doesn't matter. You may want to switch to themes later on, depends on what the developers do. What I'm going to do, however, is search the packages for material, and I need to spell it correctly. So we'll search for material, and I see this Atom Material UI. I'm going to click install to install that. And I also see Atom Material Syntax. I'm going to go ahead and click install to install that as well. Okay, once those have gone ahead and install, I'm going to go up here on the left to themes. And for my syntax theme, I'm going to go to Atom Material. Okay, and then for my UI theme, I'm also going to go to Atom Material. Okay, now I can close out my settings here, and I've got the Pulsar text editor with that sleek Material UI and theme. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, could you please give me a like on it, as that will help me out a lot. Thank you.